If you are an NGO or an educational institution or a medical institution or any other non-profit organization, do you think that it is necessary or mandatory for you to obtain a 12A registration? Hi, I am Yashwan Nijgal, a chartered accountant in practice. In this video, I am going to be talking about the actual advantages of having a 12A registration or an ATG registration, and of course the disadvantages and the risks associated with it. So some of my clients who are non-profit organizations think that it is mandatory for such organizations to have a 12A registration or an ATG registration. So let me start off by telling you the only advantage of having a 12A registration and also the only advantage of having an ATG registration. To start with, if you are an institution which has a 12A registration, the biggest and in fact the only advantage is that you can claim deduction for your capital expenditures entirely in the year in which it has been incurred, as against other organizations wherein the deduction is available in the form of depreciation. So basically, there is only a timing difference wherein trusts are allowed to claim the entire capital expenditure in the year in which it has been incurred, as against other businesses where they get to claim the same expenditure over a period of time. Now, this particular advantage apart, there are some serious disadvantages of having a 12A registration for your trust or organization. The major one is that the persons who are running the show, whether it is the management or admin, cannot take any benefits from the trust. So basically, if you have set up an organization definitely for the purpose of general public utility, and you are also looking at it as an avenue to make money, then it is not possible if you have a 12A registration, because there are specific restrictions which does not allow you to draw salary or take any other benefits from such organizations. And also in terms of income tax compliance, the returns and the records which have to be maintained by such organizations which are registered under 12A have to be perfect, because the income tax officer always has the power to cancel the registration, and the implications if such cancellation happens is extremely vast and could result in huge penalties. To conclude, I would like to say two things. One is that you obtain 12A registration or ATG registration only if it is mandated by any board or a regulatory authority. And second, you need to understand the actual purpose of you starting such an organization. If you are 100% certain that you would not want to have any kind of benefit from such organization, then you can go with 12A or ATG registration. But if you are looking at it as a business or an avenue to make money, then I would definitely ask you to stay away from 12A or ATG registration. And as always, no tricks, no hacks. Follow me for valuable financial insights.